Hey everyone, welcome. In this video we'll show you how to pay your standard Chartered credit card bill online. So guys, firstly open up the standard Chartered app and log in. You can do it from the website as well. Open the payments or pay credit card, select your credit card accounts, choose the amounts, minimum due, full amount or custom, pick your payments method, bank account or linked funds, confirm and submit the payments. Guys, also on the standard Chartered online banking, you can go to sc.com and log in into your account, go to payments and transfers, and after that pay credit card, select your credit card and enter the payment amounts. Choose your bank accounts for the transaction, review the details and confirm the payments. And that's it, your credit card bill is now paid. Payments usually reflect within 24 to 48 hours. Like and subscribe for more quick banking tips like this one. Thanks for watching. See you next time.